चिल मारी. Three, two, one. Hello everyone and welcome to, after a long time we're sitting and doing this, so welcome to the new episode of the podcast 10 More Minutes Mom. How long has it been?
I think 2 weeks now.
2 weeks, yeah. We did a live episode. You should check that out. Yeah, on Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day special episode. You can check that out on my Instagram. Then next week, unfortunately, we had to skip it because of college vivas and other things. But good news is we are back.
Yes.
Back in business. So.
Yeah.
Welcome to the new episode of 10 More Minutes Mom. This is
Yay!
this is episode 5.
Mm-hmm.
Fourth one was a live episode. So I'm considering this as 5. Okay?
Done.
This week, we'll be talking about a topic that is very important, but is generally overlooked. Among friends also, these things aren't spoken about. First episode we did drinks, smoking and all that. Among friends we talk. Then we did girlfriends and all that. That also we talked. Then what did we do? We did pleasures of the skin we did. That also we do.
Yeah.
But this now, people are on a back foot when talking about it. This week's topic is mental health.
Uh-huh.
You are very relieved, I see. What were you expecting?
Quite interesting.
Yeah, it is quite interesting. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Starting first, very basic question.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think mental health is?
Mental health is the general, well-being
Okay.
of any person.
Okay.
Not just be physically, though of course we know it is if you have any disease, etc. Mental health is a person who is not psychologically disturbed or something like that.
Hmm.
A generally happy person.
Generally happy person. Okay. How do you diagnose when someone has poor mental health or bad mental health?
Oh God. For that I need to be a psychiatrist.
Okay. But as a mom, moms are nature's default psychiatrists. You're the first step.
Okay,
to
is it so?
diagnosis,
Okay,
na?
fine. You see, people can be happy yet be sad, and there are so many cases of suicides, etc. Even though on the face of it, the person looks happy, mixes up with so many friends, is quite outward, doesn't keep anything. ऐसा लगता है, लेकिन you don't know about how that guy or how that female is feeling inside. And it is very difficult to recognize it.
Yeah.
I feel each should recognize it himself, herself, and take help if necessary.
Okay.
And not think of mental health as a stigma or anything. जो पागलपन नहीं होता वो.
कुछ पागल ऐसे होते हैं जिनका पागलपन दुनिया को लगता है कि पागलपन है, लेकिन वो पागल नहीं होते। और कुछ पागल वो होते हैं जो सचमुच पागल होते हैं, लेकिन उनका पागलपन दिखाई नहीं देता।
ऐसा जो सोचा जाता है कि ये अब अच्छा ये साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास जा रही है का मतलब, या काउंसलर के पास जा रही है का मतलब, इट इज नॉट दैट दे आर मेंटल केसेस. They may be having issues to cope up with something, etc.
How familiar are you with what anxiety as a mental disorder is and depression as a mental disorder is?
I have not been through such people, or maybe I may not have recognized it as a depression. Depression, yes. Anxiety, maybe you can make out when people, are repeatedly asking about the same things. Maybe get anxious when certain things are not clear or clarified or beyond their understanding, or maybe it is not done as per their liking. So there are many reasons which causes anxiety, and depression is a total different game altogether. Depression is, you can be depressed even if you have everything, worldly things rather, yet you can be depressed. There are so many people, or Bollywood celebrities or Hollywood celebrities or even famous other people who seem to be on the face of it having everything that a person can want in a worldly life or in a present distance. But still they go on and say that they went through depression. You can't pinpoint that this person is depressed, or it is not. General conception is a depressed person may not want to mix with people, or may like to be alone, or have his own company or her company. मतलब ऐसा general conception है, but it is not necessary.
First of all, what you said is okay, but you said depression is ठीक है, but anxiety you've not come across. I would like to point out.
I myself am.
Yeah. Obsessive compulsive disorder. Look it up. It's a form of anxiety where you have to, you are by nature compelled to think about one thing repeatedly, and you have to do it, even if there's no apparent reason for you to do it. You can let 2 bartans be in the sink without washing them. Okay? You don't have to wash them as soon as they're in the sink.
No.
What if I told you that my mental health I'm not feeling very healthy mentally, or like I'm having some problem that I'm not able to completely grasp, or I'm not able to solve myself.
First thing is, I'll try to ask you, and I'll maybe try to counsel you as far as I know, or how much I can.
Okay.
If you still feel the same, then maybe counseling. That is the best way out, so that you come out of it with a healthy mindset.
New question. What do you think is the mental health state of the current generation versus the generation, your generation? मतलब जिनके बीच में ऐसे 30 years का gap है. What do you think is the state of mental health then and now?
I don't think we had time enough also to think about mental health. The basic thing was to come out of whatever situations we were in, or to raise our standards, or the entire energy was pushed into it, and mental health was a thing which I don't think we thought about at all. But this generation
has the privilege of thinking about mental health.
Simply because you get everything, whatever you need, on a platter.
Now this is not in my list of questions, but I would just like to ask you. Do you think you're happy, or do you think you're good up here?
I feel yes.
Why do you think so?
One thing is, I don't keep anything in my head. In the sense, if anybody, I don't keep grudges, or I don't keep
an enemy list.
No, I don't have that.
Okay.
The general idea is to live day to day. Thinking too much into the future will only create problems.
Do you think I'm happy?
I think so.
Okay. Why do you think so?
Because you're doing exactly what you want and what you enjoy.
मस्त जोक मारा.
The pandemic apart,
Okay.
of course, you can't go out as you want, or you can't do things that you want. Okay, you tell me whether you are.
Yeah. Okay. I'm okay. That's considering the pandemic and everything that's happened after the pandemic. But right now I'm okay. Just before the pandemic I was great.
Yeah,
I was ecstatic.
I know.
Now, because coming from ecstatic to
Okay.
now I'm up to okay. Till last year I was a little below okay also.
Yeah.
What if I told you कि I think I should be going to a therapist? By the way, I think, side note, I think everyone should be going to a therapist. Even though there's nothing wrong with you, you should be going to a therapist or like a counselor regularly. Maybe not as often as someone who might need help, but like once in a month, you can do it.
I don't think it is necessary, not right now. But it is your take on it. I would like to speak to you on this and not on camera.
Alright? No, you have to answer first on camera, then we can speak offline. Come on, yaar, say it.
You see, if you need it, then there is nothing I can do about it. You need it. But I would like to ask why, and but what I feel is, first thing is you have to control yourself.
Control, Uday.
Or maybe make a real effort with yourself. Self has to be done. And yes, of course, ये तो बहुत easy way out हुआ कि मैं जाता हूँ therapist के पास और मैं बोलता हूँ उसको और वो जो राय देगा उसके ऊपर मैं अमल करता हूँ. That's a very easy way out. तुम्हारा क्या एफर्ट रहा है? तुमको खुद को सुधारने में तुम्हारा क्या एफर्ट रहा है? You know what is right, what is wrong, and why you are not able to do what you want to do or whatever. Have you made any effort towards it?
That's the problem, no. A lot of times people
I
are not
feel
able.
a lot of time these days, especially kids or whatever your generation is, they take it very easy. आराम से हो जाता है.
First of all, if you have like a disease, okay, will you sit at home thinking, first I'll have paracetamol 3 days, then if I
See, that is
don't
different.
have.
I'm saying different. It is a total different thing. If you are sick mentally or whatever, you have certain mental issues,
Okay.
then you have to think on what is the problem with yourself.
प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
What is the problem that you are facing? और तुमको इससे निकलने में खुद को क्या? How can you help yourself? First thing is that.
Why should you not take the easy way? What is wrong in taking the easy way when you're looking at your own well-being? Why should you struggle for your own well-being? It's your well-being.
Hey, I'm not saying struggle on a long term. Just first think about what exact issues you got. See if they are solvable. If there is, or if you can involve people around you, help you. मतलब others around you can help you. नहीं हो रहा है. Of course, there is no other option. You better go to a therapist. Going to the very extreme step is extremely bad. That is too bad. The entire thing is you have to be happy. You have to know the value of happiness.
Final question now. Give us some tips. Now you're happy. You're 50 and you're happy. We are 20. Give us some tips on how to be happy or how to.
Yeah, one of the very, very, very simple things is.
Please don't say meditate.
No. Abhi, suppose a very small example I'm taking. If you're going to on a local train or traveling somewhere and you are not able to get a seat and you're seeing younger people not getting up, offering seats to elders. Initially I used to feel very angry, why the hell are they doing like that, aisa.
Okay.
But then later on I started thinking ki maybe she has or he has a problem which is bigger than mine.
Okay.
Then that helped me in.
Empathizing.
Yes. And that is one of the ways to, तुम्हारा अपना peace के लिए. First. Holding no grudges, that is what I had told you earlier. Don't hold anything against anybody. उनके लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है जिसके वजह से उसने ये सब बोला. You don't know. And the other thing is, don't keep on thinking of what happened in the past. Don't keep on thinking of what you will do in the future. थोड़ा सा इधर 2-3 दिन मैं ऐसे कर सकता हूँ. अभी this pandemic has taught us this. हमारा बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम था, इधर जाएंगे उधर जाएंगे, क्या कर पाए? कुछ नहीं यहीं पे. तो that is how. There are small things in which you can be happy. Small things, like we went to holiday. It was very nice. We enjoyed small things there. That was also good.
So can I go on Sunday?
Let's talk about it.
कैमरा भी परमिशन मिल गया. Okay. So your advice is be nice to people.
Yes.
Don't hold grudges.
Yes.
Live in the present.
Yes.
Enjoy small things.
Yes.
Good.
Because tomorrow, those small things will be the ones which will bring a smile on your face.
I have a philosophy. This is my personal philosophy. This is 1 minute with Aditya. You just have to live till the next meal. So live as in like right now, जैसे है वैसे next meal तक पहुंचना है. It's like once you reach that meal, then okay restart and the next meal. So before you know it, the day is over and it's a new day, new meal. That's why I have a good mental health. Okay, that's my philosophy. Good talk, intense talk in the middle.
Yeah.
Nicely sloped it down.
Yes.
So thanks guys for listening. This week we talked about mental health and why people have mental health, how you can diagnose it, how you can treat it, and how to be happy. Mothership gave us 4 important tips on how to be happy. So as usual, like this video, share it with your friends, comment what you thought about the video, talk to your parents about your mental health, okay? It's important. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
There is nothing to fear.
I have to record an extra bit. I had to put it in the introduction. I forgot it now. I have shaved. Or something else was. Thank you.